Guys, you're welcome once again. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you're welcome. This is Elveela Couture YouTube channel, and to all my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you for staying with me on this channel. Today's video is going to be a quick one on how to draft a short pant with side pockets. So if this sounds like what you want to learn, please stay with me till the end of this video. So right now I'll be taking the length of the pant and I'll be subtracting 2 inches from the length of the pant because I'll be adding a waistband of 2 inches. The first measurement I'm taking now is the hip line, which is at 9 inches. So the next measurement is the crotch line. Then the next measurement is the knee line, then 1 inch for folding. So I'll place the measurements on this other side as shown. Once I'm done with the measurements, I'm going to rule that out, connecting all the marks together as shown. So now for clarity, I'll just go ahead and label the lines. That's my hip line, crotch line, and the knee line, plus 1 inch for folding. After that, I'm going to be creating a shape because this is a female pant. So I'll be giving it a shape on that end of the pattern paper. So inward there, I'm going to be marking 1 inch on the waist. Then on the knee line, I'll be taking inward 1.5 inches as shown. Then I'll be connecting that point to the hip and now to the knee line. So guys, I'm sorry for the long absence. So now I'm back for you. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to Elveela Couture, please subscribe and let's grow this channel together. I upload new videos every week, so check out my previous videos. So right now I will just roll it straight down to the hem line. So now my measurement starts from that line. This part now goes off. My measurement is out of that space. So all my circumference measurement starts from the line. So now I'll be placing the horizontal measurements. First, I'll be dividing the waist by 4. So that's the waist measurement divided by 4. Mark it there. Then I'll be adding 1 inch for that. Mark it there. Then I'll go ahead now and mark 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. So the next measurement is the hip measurement divided by 4. I'll mark it there. And I'll be adding 2 inches for the sewing allowance. Then on the crotch line, I'll be imputing the round tie measurement. Please note that the tie measurement is divided by 2. So the round tie measurement is divided by 2. I'll place half of the measurement there. Then I'll be adding 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. Then on the knee line, I'll be imputing the round knee measurement. The round knee measurement is divided by 2. So I'll place half of the round knee measurement, then I'll be adding 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. So next thing now is to connect all the marks together. We also have a Facebook page where we put up illustrations. Please check it out at Elveela Sewing Hub. If you have any sewing tutorial you want me to illustrate, please feel free to drop it for me in the comment section. So at that center, I'm going to be marking in the darts. That is the apex measurement divided by 2. So I'm using the dart length of 3 inches. So you can use 3 inches, you can use 3.5, you can use 4 inches. So on that apex line, I mark ½ inch on both sides. Then the next thing now, from that end, you measure down ½ inch. You know our front waist is lower than the back waist. So from that point now, you connect it to the other side of the pant. So after doing that now, the next thing now is to cut out the front pattern. So please, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, what are you still waiting for? Please hit the red subscribe button and click on your notification bell so you get notified each time I put up a new video. And I promise you, you won't regret joining this family. So right now we have it, guys, for our front leg. So I'll just go ahead now and place a fresh pattern paper. Then I'll be putting the front pattern onto the fresh pattern paper. So we want to draft our back pattern. So from that line, that ½ inch I came down on from the front leg, I'm just going to, from that line, I'm going to be marking up 2 inches, which is going to be for the back waist. So from that point, I'll connect to the other end as shown. After that, now I'll be adding 2 inches on the waist for the back. 2 inches is going to be for the sewing allowance. Then on the crotch, for my back crotch now, I'm just going to be adding 2 inches as shown. Then on my knee line, I'll be adding 1.5 inches. Now I'll connect the marks together. I hope you've given this video a thumbs up already. And also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any question regarding this video, please drop it for me in the comment section. So just take note at that end there, you don't need to draw it curvy, just roll it out straight. Because if you roll it in a curvy way, you're going to fall short of fabric when hemming your pants. So here we have it, guys. The front and the back pattern is ready. So next thing now is to draft out my darts for the back pattern. You can see it's so easy as ABC. So in this channel, I try to simplify the process for you, so even a beginner can follow through. So I'm just rolling out my darts for the back pattern. Once I'm done with that now, the next thing now is to cut it out as shown. So now I'll be keeping aside my back pattern now. Okay, before I do that, I'm going to trim off that 1/2 inch line I came down on. So because this pant has a pocket, I'm now going to be drafting for the pocket opening. So on that waist end, I'll just measure in 3 inches. This is totally optional. You can mark in 1 inch, you can mark in 4 inches. So for the depth of my pocket opening, I marked 5 inches. You can make it 6 or 7. So it depends on your choice. So after doing that, I'll be connecting the marks together as shown. So that's my pocket opening now. Next thing now is to determine how deep, that is the length of my pocket. So this is also optional. If you want a shallow pocket, you can stop it on the hip line. So I'm just rolling down my pocket length. I think I used 11 inches or 12 inches thereabouts. So I use pencil just to avoid too much markings on the pattern paper. But I also went ahead to bolding it out with my marker pen. So guys, with this we have come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video very helpful. Please, if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your soulmates, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to place this pattern paper on your fabric. So stay glued to this channel. So for now, bye.